Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare the Amazfit T-Rex with the Lemfo LV25. The Lemfo LV25 is a very old smartwatch in our channel, not so old but we had it for a while. You saw when we unboxed it, showed you how to connect it, we compare with multiple devices, and today it's time to compare with the Amazfit T-Rex. We will see in today's video which one is better and why. In today's video we're going to compare them by showing you some specifics of them. First, see how they work. We're going to test some of the options that we have in the menu. In the end, we are going to discuss about the good things and bad things that they have. So let's go ahead first with Amazfit T-Rex and come back to the LV25. We have now here the Amazfit T-Rex. As we said, we are going to start with this smartwatch. So we know that Amazfit T-Rex comes in 5 different colors like rug black, gun gray, army green, camel green and khaki. It has 12 different certifications from military. We have 20 days battery in daily using, 66 days in basic watch mode and 12 hours in continuously GPS on. In the T-Rex we have 1.3-inch AMOLED display. Other than that, in the software we have built-in satellite GPS and 14 sport modes. Also we have 50 meters water resistance, so we can use these sports all the way up. So let's go ahead, see what we got more in the menu of T-Rex, and in that we can compare them between each other. So now that we know what the Amazfit T-Rex is capable of, we can see what we have here in the menu. So as you can see, the first page we have this beautiful red theme going here in the first page. We have the time, the weather, battery, date as well, steps here in the bottom. As you can see, we can change this phase just by holding it and pressing it. And also you saw in the unboxed video we have plenty of other faces. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Up we have the torch, power saver, do not disturb, brightness and lock screen. We have battery, date and weather. Down we have steps, heart rate. In the left we have notifications. Right we have the menu. In the menu, as you can see, we have status, heart rate, workout, activities, weather, music, alarm, event reminder, timer. We have countdown, find my phone, compass and settings. So as you can see, we have quite a few options here in the Amazfit T-Rex. Let's go ahead, test some of these options that we saw in the menu, and we can compare it in the end. As you can see, now we have here the T-Rex in our hand. Let's go straight to the menu. Heart rate, we have the first option, and let's wait for some results. And we have here some first result here. As you can see, it's not so fast, but it's okay. We have, again, as I said before, this rainbow thing. It tells us the heart rate. Now we have the relaxed, and here is when we are active. Next we have workout, outdoor running, press go. Immediately it will start to measure our duration, distance, pace, heart rate here, time in the top. As you can see, you can pause and unpause with that button. Down we have more information. As you can see, we have sedence, average pace and consumption. That is pretty good. It works perfectly. We have quite a few information about the sport, and we don't need anything else here in our watch. So that's pretty good. Until now everything is working perfectly. We have one more thing that I want to show you, and that is the compass. So this device has GPS built in, and it has compass and other stuff to make this smartwatch really reliable. So that's all that we can test here in the T-Rex. Let's bring the other smartwatch here and test them. Now it's time for the LV25. As you can see, we have a CPU quad core in the LV. We have 512 megabytes of RAM, 1.39 inch AMOLED screen, as you can see right in front of us. We have 3G support, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, 400 mAh high power polymer battery. We have different function, for example, reminder for incoming calls, SMS messages, and GPS push for Android. You are using Android 5.1 here in the LV25. So these are some of the specs for the LV. So now let's go ahead see what we got here in the LV25, what we can use. So in the first page, as you can see, we have this beautiful face or screen. We can change it by pressing it and holding it. We have all these faces that we can change. In the left side we have notifications, as you can see right here. Down we have some sports data. We have all the dates of the week, as you can see. In the Monday we did some exercises and we can see some results right here. Up we have the taskbar. We have here time, date, percentage of battery, and we have Bluetooth and SIM card. In the taskbar we have some shortcuts for do not disturb, brightness, airplane mode, mobile network, location, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We have here cleaner, music control and weather as well. In the right side we have the menu, starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, translator, calendar, clock, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, assistant, YouTube, App Store and Instagram. As you can see, we have so many options in the LV25. So let's go ahead and test some of them, see how they would react. Now we have here the LV25. As you can see, it looks good. It's a bit thick, but for some people maybe it's not a problem. So let's go straight to the menu, see what we have here, what we can test. We have here heart rate. Let's test that first. The LV25 is taking a bit longer than other smartwatches. You are used to see results immediately. And now finally we have some results. As you can see, the result is saved with date and we can check that out whenever we want. Next we have fitness. Auto running is the first one. Press go and we have the seconds going, kilometers, blood pressure measurement, burn calories, kilometer per hour and minutes per kilometer as well. Everything is working perfectly. Let's go now ahead and connect the LV25 with Wi-Fi and test YouTube and Instagram so we know how they work. Now we've found non-copyright music in the YouTube. As you can see, we are in the YouTube. So let's go. for a smartwatch is a really good sound. So we know that we can work with YouTube here in the LF25. So let's go to Instagram now, see what we got. And as you can see, our page is open right here. In case you are not following us, go ahead and follow. This is our Instagram page when we post sometimes. So you can see that everything works perfectly. We can download more stuff in the LF25. We have here the App Store and other places to download stuff. So in this case, we know that everything works perfectly. So now we are back. We saw the performance of both of these devices. We know that they can do, what they are about. So we have downsides and good things or bad things in both of them. For example, we'll start with the Amazfit T-Rex. As you can see, the screen is AMOLED, but we have only 14 seconds to use it. In case you don't touch it in 14 seconds, it will shut down. But again, it's better than some of the smartwatches that we had in our channel. They shut down in 5 seconds or less. But again, comparing to the LF25, it's bad. The LF25, it will stay up max 30 minutes, and that's a while. Half an hour, it's a while. So as you can see, we have AMOLED in the T-Rex. It's better than in the LF25. The bands are softer and it's newer. We know that. In the Amazfit T-Rex, we can't download stuff like in the LF25. You saw in the LF25 we have other apps that we downloaded in Play Store. In the T-Rex we can't download stuff. So as you can see, they both have good things and bad things. So for myself, I'll choose the T-Rex before the LF25, even though I don't have Play Store to download stuff in it. So guys, this was all for today's video. Comment down below which one do you think is better and why. I will read all your comments and see what you think about these devices. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.